Hello guys, good evening and happy Thursday to everyone. Upsie! So,
I'm sick today.
yeah, she's not feeling well. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, now it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Now it's 8 o'clock in the evening and in the morning I was really craving for hot pot. So now I'm making mine at home since going out will not be an option for us because you know what will happen, you know what's going on in our surrounding, and it will not be safe for us to go out, especially if we have a child with us. So instead, I'm gonna make my hot pot at home. So let me show you my ingredients. My ingredients, but first, what's this? How you jump? What jump is that?
I saw this from like
So these are my simple ingredients, okay? I have here, I bought this actually in the morning, my squid and my shrimp. I bought this in the morning. So just now I have cleaned and cut my shrimp. I don't want to throw the heads because heads with, actually I want to boil it along with the water because it really gives really nice seafood taste. And as well, I have here, it was been cleaned and cut my squid just now as well. And I have here enoki mushroom. And I have a cabbage. But I don't have the Chinese cabbage, so I'm using this kind of cabbage. And of course, we are using this. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm showing you. This is, I'm gonna use...
this is not like a sponsored video from Jane and Addy. I pretty much
You like them?
yeah.
And this is my ramen noodles. Okay, so I have two of this, and this is 2 times spicy. So that's what I'm gonna only use. I think 1.5 packet, but it was otherwise very spicy it is. So let's get started. Already put the water, and for the water, it's depend on you. What is your preference? So, but this is mine. I just put a little more because we have to boil, no? So when you're boiling, of course, it will decrease the water. So first, we have to boil this, and we have to also put our head shrimp. And now, our water is about to boil, so this is the perfect time to dump our shrimp. So let's dump our shrimp. We're not gonna put any salt here because we're gonna use the spices from the noodles. Pour it in. And then just leave it. There. And now this is now boiling. So it's time to put our spices. But I'm not gonna put all because it will be so much spicy. That. And this one, the spices. The first one I dropped, that was the herbs. So now we are doing the spices. Oh, looking so beautiful. So that is one. And let's check how spicy it is before I'll add the other one. That was okay. Not so much spicy. Because I also put lots of water. And anyway, there will be a vegetables also. So it will be fine. So I am using two of this sachet. So I put all the spices. So let it boil. And now it's really boiling. It's time for us to put our vegetables. I'm gonna put my cabbage because the squid and the shrimp, it doesn't take time to cook. So first the cabbage first. Just put the vegetables in. Just about 1 minute. We put it inside and we put the other ingredients. Isabella's doing TikTok.
I really do not know how to do TikTok.
Yeah.
I downloaded a TikTok, but it's not you doing TikTok. It's
How you do the TikTok? Show me the dance. How you do it?
Only it will be available on tomorrow's video.
Okay. So now it's time to put our noodles. So I already cut into like this. So it won't be not a struggle to eat. Like that. This. Put it inside. Why you keep on running? What's happening?
Nothing's wrong with you guys, just like run it.
And now we have to put our squid and this enoki mushroom and cook all together. And now we have to put our shrimp. So now guys, as you can see, my hot pot seafood is ready. So this is now okay. My noodles is cooked as well as my vegetables, and my seafood doesn't take time to cook, so this is perfect. So now this is done. So as you can see, this is my hot pot, seafood hot pot. As you can see, very nice. Our dinner is ready. And it is really perfect because I'm feeling so cold. It's winter in Dubai, so this is very nice. My very simple recipe, guys, and I hope you like it. And I'll see you to my next one. Bye!
Please like and